Good morning, grade 10. Now today we are going to see theorem of areas of similar triangles. First let's see what the statement is when two triangles are similar. For example, these two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Now see, that means given is what? Two triangles are similar is given. Now you know that if these two triangles are similar, their three angles of this triangle will be correspondingly equal to three angles of the other triangle. And therefore I have written angle B is congruent to angle Q because these two triangles are similar is given. Now second, what we have to prove? The ratios of areas of two triangles. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to what? Ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Now see where line AB is opposite to angle C and C is similar to R. So angle C is congruent to angle R. Which side is opposite to angle R? It is PQ. And therefore AB square upon PQ square. These two are corresponding sides. Alright. So they are also, the ratio of the areas of the triangles will be equal to the ratios of the squares. Do not forget this. Squares of their corresponding sides. So AB square upon PQ square, it is also equal to BC square upon QR square, which is also equal to AC square upon PR square. So this is what we have to prove, and we have to use this property while solving the problems as well. Now, for this only triangles are given, so a small construction is there. We are drawing AD, which is perpendicular to BC, and we are drawing PS, which is perpendicular to QR, such that these 3 points are collinear, B dash, D dash, C, and these 3 points are collinear. So we get Q dash, S dash, R. I hope you have understood what the statement is. You know what is given and construction also, and basically you should know what we have to prove. So let's start the proof now. Okay. So let's start the proof. See now, please listen very carefully. It's a matter of understanding. See now what I am writing. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. ABC and PQR. Now you know that ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to product of their base and height. Basically area of triangle is always half into base into height. This half and half of this triangle PQR both will get cancelled. So this is base into height of ABC triangle upon base into height of PQR triangle. ABC's base is BC, height is AD. For PQR, base is QR, height is PS. So base into height, base into height. Only I am splitting this, writing it in a separate way. BC upon QR into AD upon PS. So this is your first step. Now look here. In triangle ABD and PQS, ABD, that means this triangle I am talking about, and PQS, this triangle. I hope you are understanding. See which two triangles we are considering. This is first and this is second. So I am taking this triangle and this triangle into consideration now. Okay. This is 2. Now in these two triangles, can you see angle B is equal to angle Q? Because it is already given these two triangles are similar and therefore their corresponding angles will also be congruent. So it is already given angle B is equal to angle Q is given, and this is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC, PS is perpendicular to QR. So without telling, angle D over here and S over here is equal to 90 degree. That is what construction we have done. Now because these two triangles of one triangle are exactly equal to two angles of the other triangle, these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Now once the triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. So what are the sides which are in proportion of these two triangles? See what I am writing. AD upon PS. AD upon PS, both perpendiculars, is equal to AB upon PQ. These are corresponding sides of these similar triangles. Okay, they are in same proportion. Now, this is only for this both triangles. But initially what they have given, these two original triangles are already similar. Which two triangles? A, B, C, this complete, and P, Q, R. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be in proportion. All the three sides of one triangle will be in proportion with the others, three sides of the other triangle. So what I have written? AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. What's the reason? Reason for this is because these two triangles are similar, these are corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So you can write the same reason over here. Please do write the reason, okay? You can pause the video and take down all the steps. Please write your reason. I am writing in short. It is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Okay, please write the same reason over here. Alright, so I am showing this by arrow for you to understand. Now listen very carefully. We are directly coming to the proof. Now see, what was our aim? Statement is ratio of areas of two triangles. Which two triangles? These big two triangles. What we got initially, their ratio as BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Now look at this AD upon PS. In second step, we have shown AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. So here it will be AB upon PQ, but AB upon PQ itself is equal to BC upon QR. So here again one more time we are getting BC upon QR. Are you understanding me? And therefore from 1, 2 and 3 what we get? BC upon QR into AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR into again BC upon QR. I hope you understood how this BC upon QR has come. I am repeating again, AD upon PS is similar to AB upon PQ. But AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So here again we are getting one more BC upon QR. Now BC into BC will be BC square and QR into QR will be QR square. So up till here you see area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is square. Do not forget to write this square. So it is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. But we know BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ, which is also equal to AC upon PR. So all the three ratios we are writing in the square form. So obviously if BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ, BC square upon QR square will be equal to AB square upon PQ square. Will also be equal to AC square upon PR square. All these three ratios are equal. Okay. And therefore, we got the proof that when two triangles are similar, thus we have proved, then the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratios of squares of their corresponding sides. Okay. So you can take any one pair, that square of that corresponding sides will give you the ratio of the areas of those two similar triangles. I hope it is clear. Please pause the video and take down all the steps. So depending upon the theorem which we have seen just now about areas of similar triangles, let us solve first problem from set 1.4. The problem says that the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. It's very easy. See now. Consider areas of two triangles be A1, A2 and sides S1, S2. So ratio of sides is given as 3:5, S1 is to S2. So that is S1 upon S2 is given as 3/5. Now two triangles are similar, they are saying. So A1 upon A2 will be square of their ratios of the square of their corresponding sides. So S1 square upon S2 square. This is theorem of areas of similar triangles. We have seen just now. Now S1 square upon S2 square, together we can write S1 by S2 the whole square. But what is S1 upon S2? It is 3 upon 5. So I have just substituted over here. So we get 3 upon 5 the whole square. 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. It is as easy as that. But what mistake is generally done by the students is that they forget to take the square and they write only 3 upon 5. So please be careful with the squares. You have to square the ratios of the sides. Alright. And therefore ratio of areas of two similar triangles will be 9:25. It is very easy, no? Just you have to substitute. Okay, rest of the problems we'll see in another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.